Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out.
What's your streamline? Work from your home. Learn from the best. Start living your stream life today. Buy access to myself.win to start your own online business now.
This video is just covering the basics of what dropshipping is, how the business model works, and how to understand it, okay? So the easiest way to understand it is just knowing the standard retail business model, okay? So if you think about any of these stores, a bit like a Home Depot on the left, and what looks like a Target in the middle, and like an adventure camping store on the right, all of these businesses have the same thing in common in that they follow the standard retail business model. What that means is they have to have a location, like a big physical building, right? As you see in the pictures, they have to pre-purchase inventory to stock their shelves. And they have to have suppliers to give them that inventory, right? Now, once they have their building, once they have all their inventory in stock, that's when they can start making their money. So their two-step process is step one, buy for wholesale price, okay, which is the lower price. Step two, sell for retail price, and that is the marked up, more expensive price, right? So they make their profit based on the difference. Well, the dropshipping business model is pretty much exactly the same thing except for a key difference. Now, obviously, everything with dropshipping is done through websites, through a website, right? So instead of a giant big building and shelves and everything like that, we host our store on Shopify.com. So our store is our website, and our two-step process for making money online is step one, sell for retail price. Step two, buy for wholesale price. So as you can see, it's flipped. We actually, with dropshipping, sell the product first to the consumer, then we send that order to the supplier to fulfill. Let me show you how this works. So this is how it works. Step one, the customer buys from your store. Okay. Step two, we wait 2 days to get paid from Shopify for that money to go into your account. Step three, then we place the order with the supplier at cost, which is wholesale price, right? Step four is when the supplier actually packages and ships the product to the customer for us. We never have to see any physical products. We don't have to pre-purchase any inventory. We don't have to stock them in our garage or anything like that. The supplier handles all that for us. And then step five, as we enjoy the profits, right? So the difference again is the same as a regular retail business model, only we make sure that we collect the money from the customer before placing the order with the supplier. That means that we don't have any upfront inventory costs. So let's talk about the benefits of dropshipping. No or low startup costs. You have no upfront inventory costs. Positive cash flow. We only purchase the items from your supplier after the sale has already been made and paid for by the customer. No inventory warehousing. So we sell directly to consumers without managing inventory. Your supplier handles all the warehousing. Supplier handles shipping. So don't worry about the shipping logistics. Your supplier handles all that for you. Location independence. If you have access to a laptop and a cell phone, a dropshipping business can be run from anywhere that has an internet connection. You could be sitting on the beach, sipping on a cocktail, and processing orders. A wide selection of products. You don't have to pre-purchase inventory. So if your suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your website at no additional cost. It's a huge advantage. Easy to scale. With a traditional business, when your business grows, your workload grows just as much. Well, that's not the case with dropshipping. So now let's talk about the challenges of dropshipping. We've talked about the benefits, let's talk about the challenges. Too competitive. Okay, your competitors will swallow you up if you don't pick your niche correctly. The solution to this is you got to know how to choose profitable niches with favorable competition. Unreliable suppliers. Not all suppliers are created equal. Having customers wait 4 weeks to receive their product, receiving low quality or damaged products will hurt your sales and reputation. The solution? Know how to find the best, most reliable suppliers and get approved with them. Low margins. Low margins mean a lot of work for very little reward. The solution to this, know how to choose high profit per sale niches that are protected from shrinking profit margins by the manufacturer. So here in the DIY Dropship University course, we show you exactly how to avoid all of these challenges. These challenges, yeah, they're there for most people when they want to start dropshipping because they don't have the training to know how to do these things. But luckily for you in this training, this is exactly what we do.
What's your streamline? What's from your home? Learn from the best. Start living your stream life today. Buy access to myself.win to start your own online business now.